Hi guys, this is Anugha. Are you worried about damaged hair? Well, don't worry anymore, I've got you covered. Today I'll be reviewing the L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 shampoo. So let's get started. This shampoo is designed to get you expert care for your hair right at home. It has ceramide and protein technology that gives your hair life and luster. This shampoo fights the 5 signs of damage, that's dullness, dryness, roughness, split ends and hair fall. This shampoo is gentle on your hair and can be used daily. Just massage a dollop of the product onto your scalp and rinse it. You'll notice visible differences in your hair just after a couple of washes. Say hello to strong, smooth and manageable hair. You can also follow up with the Total Repair 5 regime, that is shampoo, conditioner and serum for the best results. Using this shampoo has been a game changer for me. It comes in different sizes as well. That's 175 ml, 396 ml, 704 ml and 815 ml. With some variants, you can also get a conditioner and serum free. Say goodbye to dull and damaged hair.